Hello everybody, this is Mike Celestino from Inside the Magic, and I've got another unboxing video for you today. This is the 6th box in Funko's Disney Treasures series, and it arrived over the weekend. I have not opened it yet. I have slid open the tape, but I have no idea what's inside the box, so let's take a look. This month's theme, I should say, for February is Ever After Castle. You get one of these every 2 months, so the February theme is kind of a Valentine's Day theme. And that's the logo for Ever After Castle right there. Gonna open up the box and take a look at what's inside. As usual, we've got the map of all the Disney Treasures themes leading through where we started at Pirates Cove, the Festival of Friends, Tiny Town, to Haunted Forest, Snowflake Mountain. Ever After Castle is where we are at right now for February. And the first things we see inside the box here are a patch and a pin, which is usually the case. Let's zoom out here and we'll take a closer look. And the patch is Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast in Funko style. Very nice. And the pin, we've got Donald and Daisy with a heart between them, also in the Funko Pop style. Okay, and then we should have some toys when we open up the rest of the box here. Before we look at the toys, let's take a look at this sticker. It's the same logo, Ever After Castle, February 2018. And then, right, the most obvious thing inside here that you notice right off the bat is the Funko Pop Disney figures of Ariel and Eric, Prince Eric from The Little Mermaid. Disney Treasures exclusive 2-pack. With nice detailing there. There's the top of the box. Here's the side. You can see Ariel's in her white dress with white earrings. And Prince Eric there is in his formal wedding gear, as they both are when they got married. There's the side with Eric. Here's the back of the box showing the figures. Bottom. Very neat. I think that's going to be a popular 2-pack exclusive to the Disney Treasures series from Funko. Then we've got Lady and the Tramp Pocket Pop keychain set, 2-pack again with Lady and the Tramp. From the movie Lady and the Tramp. There's the side with Tramp there. There's Lady, top of the box, and the back again. Looking cool, looking good. And finally, we're already to the end. This might be the fewest items that have come in one of these boxes, because I'm already at the final one. But this is always what tends to be my favorite piece in these Funko Disney Treasure boxes, this collectible tin. And this looks an awful lot like Mickey Mouse's house in Toontown at Disneyland to me. And that is Minnie's house. And on the top you've got a heart with Mickey and Minnie. They're silhouettes. There's the bottom. And then inside you're going to have one of these mini figures. I think they're mystery minis is what they're called. In a black, sealed black plastic bag. And it is... Oh, that's nice. It's kind of an old style Minnie Mouse with these pie eyes in the classic polka dot dress and a pillbox hat thing going here with the daisy flower on the top. There's the back of Minnie. And that's a nice little figure. Okay, so here's everything that came inside the February edition of Funko's Disney Treasures Mystery Box Subscription Service set. Like I said earlier, I think this is the smallest amount of stuff that has come in one of these boxes, but other boxes from previous months have had a lot of stuff in it, so it kind of evens out in the end. I remember, I think the Christmas one had just a ton of stuff in there. So I guess to kind of even out the value, this one has fewer stuff overall. But it's still all really cool, and I think Disney fans, especially fans of the animated movies, are gonna like this set quite a bit. If you like Lady and the Tramp, Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, and of course Mickey and Minnie. And this, again, as a fan of the parks, and this reminds me of Toontown, of course, in Disneyland, so I like having these collectible tins. But otherwise, it's a nice addition to this collection, and a good way to celebrate Valentine's Day with Disney characters from Funko. This is Mike Celestino from Inside the Magic. Thanks so much for watching again, and we'll see you next time.